guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to know how I got this look right here and know about the palette that I used, stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and doing a demo of an eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution in collaboration with EmilyNoel83. Now, if you guys don't know who she is, I will leave her her YouTube channel down below in my description box. Always make sure to be checking out my description box. I always put information that you may need or links to products that you may want to get from my videos. But as I was saying, this is an eyeshadow palette with EmilyNoel, which looks like this. I got the Emily Edit the Wants palette. If you guys don't know who she is, here's her picture, and here's all of the eyeshadows of what's inside. Now, when I saw her video that she was coming out with a collaboration with Makeup Revolution, I was so excited for her because she is one of the most genuine people out here on YouTube. Her reviews of makeup is always thorough. She's always genuine. I feel like if she doesn't like something, she will tell you. No BS, you know. If she loves something, she will recommend it. And so when I saw her video, not only was I happy, but when I saw what she did with the inside and how the colors were, I had to pick it up. So I received it. I've been playing with it for about a week, and I thought I would do a review on it slash mini demo. And also, if you want to see the swatches of all the eyeshadows, make sure to stay till the end. I will put my phone is always going off. I will put it a timestamp in my description box if you want to see just the timestamp. But I will let you know all that. So let's get started. And we are back at it with another voiceover. And I am putting on my Urban Decay Primer Potion. To be honest, guys, I don't even know why I use it. I love concealer more, but hey, whatever. Just for the video, right? So the first color I go in with is the cream, and I'm just gonna set my primer potion, followed by Midwest on a big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go in windshield wiper motion and apply that to my transition and crease area. Make sure to take your time and blow this color out. Now you see here I switch brushes, just it's a clean brush just to smooth everything out. And then I go in with the color Laugh Cry, which is a more peachier brown, which is so pretty. And I focus that on the outer V and the outer crease, and then whatever is left, I'm gonna bring it in. My hair always gets in the way, guys. Okay, moving on, I'm taking Love Tons, which is like a cranberry color, and I'm obsessed with it. I added that little by little to the outer V, and I love doing this slowly to pack it on and blend it out rather than do it all at once. Okay, now it's time to cut the crease. You guys, one thing I will say, make sure to take your time, make sure that your eyes match each other, because there have been times that I walked out and I noticed that one eye is bigger than the other. So make sure you take your time when doing this. Practice makes perfect, and just have fun. Okay, the first color I will go in with is Grateful. It's like a shimmery light mint green. and unfortunately it was not showing up that well, and you will see why in a later clip. But then I'll follow in with Side Hustle, and with Side Hustle I had to pack it on because with the first wipes, although it's a deeper shade, it was just not cooperating with me. Now I'm going to take a small little brush and I'm going to go in with Love Tons, and I'm just going to correct some of the mess that I made on top and add a little bit of the cranberry on the inner part of my eye and blend that out. So I'm going to take my MAC Fix Plus and go back in with Grateful. I was not done with that shade. I was going to make it work, and sure enough, MAC Fix Plus fixes everything. Now I'm going to go in with Corduroy, which is the prettiest forest green, and I added that to my outer V. Followed by Darken Early and mix it in with a little bit more corduroy on a bigger, fluffier brush and just blend it in. I just feel like those two colors just make the look. It's so pretty. I'm obsessed with greens lately. And make sure to blend the both parts out so that it looks as one. Now I'm going to clean up my under eyes for any fallout, but I honestly just do this to create the eye shape that I'm going for. And by the power of editing, voila, I have my makeup on. I thought I cut out all the details because this is more of a demo than a tutorial. But I'm going in with the color The Cream for the lower, for the brow bone, and then I'm blending it all in. Followed by a little bit of brow mascara by Anastasia. Now I'm going in with a small definer brush, and I'm going to use the color Corduroy and Darken Early, and I'm only putting this on the lower outer V. I don't want to bring it in because I do have smaller eye shape, so I want to keep it more open in the front, and that is why I'm keeping it on the outer third. Moving on, I'm going to take Midwest and Dues Paid, and I'm going to blow out my lower lash line. And that is it, you guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Sorry with some little mess ups here and there. I'm still trying to learn how to do my makeup on screen. But overall, now let's get into the actual review. Overall, I really do like this palette. It is $20. You can get it on the Makeup Revolution website. You can also purchase it on Ulta.com or in the Ulta stores. And the best part is you can use your $3.50 off coupons or your 20% off coupons on this palette, making it even cheaper. Now let's get into the conversation of the shadows. I want to cover this up. So I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shadows I used. I tried to do more shadows as possible. Sorry for the super drastic look, but that's what it is. Out of all the 9 shadows that I used, the only one that I felt like didn't perform as well was this shadow. It's not that it didn't perform, it's I had to pack it on, which is fine. I don't mind. Sometimes I feel like when you can't pack on a color, I usually use either glitter glue or Fix Plus, but that's that. Now on to the formula. This palette I felt like had no kick up, and it wasn't as powdery. There are different shadows, like and I own a lot of different types of shadows where they're powdery and there's a lot of kick up and this and that, and I don't mind them. But if I had a preference, I'd rather go something with a formula like this where it's not powdery, meaning that it's a little bit more stiffer, so you do have to go in a couple times to like deepen up the color rather than to be powdery and you get all the color on your brush. If that makes any sense, I hope it does. The mirror in this is amazing. The packaging in this is amazing. The colors are just amazing. I will continue using this palette. It does open up for those of you who want to play with some color but are afraid to go with like the neons and stuff. I recommend this palette for sure. So honestly, for me, this palette gets a thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. Congratulations, Emily. I really do love this palette. I don't know, you guys. Do you like it? Let me know in the description bar below. And don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel for further videos. I think the next one I'm gonna be doing all about my brush collection, my favorite brushes for, well, my favorite types of brushes, I should say. And until next time, bye guys.